you made the move to actually take the young ones back home. And when you saw them in Rotuma, what did you see the difference with them when they came back to Vitilevo, when they returned to Australia? What did you see?
Yeah, I mean, they it was funny because I really thought that they wouldn't fit in, or that they'd be nervous because they didn't feel they belonged. But I swear I didn't see them half the time. I'd wake up at 5 in the morning and they were gone to the other house and they were swimming, and you know, yeah, they would just they came back with a definitely a different sense of who they were, like just no question, like my young one, she was 7 at the time when we went, and when so she'd go back to class, people would be like, oh, where are you from? She's like, I'm Rotuman, like very staunch and strong, which was just so wonderful to see. And and for them to be able to talk about the island knowing that they had been there, because sometimes you talk about it, but it's you almost get a romanticized version of what it was. So they saw the good, the bad, the ugly, the pure, the hardship, so they having to walk, some days when there was no water cuts, they'd have to walk for good 5 minutes to get their buckets of water to bath. It was good for the soul. It was good for them to understand there's not always the internet at hand, so but yeah, it was definitely grounding for them, and really good for them to understand where their village was, to see where their our house was, and to know that that no matter what happens in the world, they have a place to go back to.